Hello my viewers, this is Liz from Liz Recipes. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to share with you a powerful remedy for cold, flu and coughs. These are the ingredients. We have lemons, ginger, garlic and honey. Lemon have high source of vitamin C. Ginger helps to maintain the immune system. Garlic helps to relieve congestion in your chest, and of course honey, which is antibacterial and helps to soothe your sore throats. Here I have prepared my ingredients. I have grated my ginger, my garlic. I have sliced my lemons. You can slice your lemon into cubes as well. It depends on how you want them to be. Measure 1 liter of water in a sufuria and bring it to boil. Yeah, now you can add your ginger and your garlic into a boiling water and give it like 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you can now add your sliced lemons. Cover again for 2 minutes. And after 2 minutes, you can now remove your lemons, as you can see in my video. I had sliced 2 lemons and squeezed the other 2. Remember, our ingredients were 4 lemons, so this is the time you add your squeezed lemon into your boiling ingredients and give it a little bit of stirring. And if you have subscribed to my YouTube channel, thank you so much. But if you're new here, kindly remember to tap that subscription button and hit that bell so you won't be left out when we upload our next video. Now turn off the fire after a minute of stirring and let your drink to cool down. Then sieve it in a glass, as you can see in my video. And this is the time you add 1 teaspoonful of honey and stir. And that's it. As you can see, our drink is now ready, and this drink can also be used to lose weight. For those who are looking into losing weight, the instructions are on your screen. And thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly remember to like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.